welcome to the channel. Just heading up to St Arnaud Range for an overnight. It's supposed to be pretty bad weather, so I'm not sure if I'll stay the night. Might be thunderstorms and pretty strong winds, but we'll see how we get on. Right now just walking through classic New Zealand beech forest and heading up to the tops. Beautiful New Zealand beech forest on the way up. It's pretty much straight up, 7k there and 7k back. So right now I've done 3k's, so almost halfway to the top. Once I get to the top, I'll come down the ridge, try and find a campsite that's sheltered from the wind, and if I can do that, find a nice spot, pitch the tent, feel like it's going to be a safe place to camp, then I'll stay the night. Otherwise I might have to come back, but it's not too bad a bigger walk. Usually do it in a day. This is actually a day hike normally, so. So we're nearing the snow line now. Trees are getting quite a lot shorter. And 1,150 metres. So far 500 metres of ascent. So coming up soon will be, I think they call it parachute rock, potentially. And that is a little lookout too. We'll be able to see views of Lake Radwiti, Mount Robert, and the range that Angela's hut's on. So almost at the tree line. Slip over here, you can see. But if you do this track, just remember that the trail actually goes up this way and around. But it looks like it can go this way, but you end up having to climb up all that scree. So it's not nearly as easy. So here's the top. Just going to go around a bit more. There's a lookout up here. And then we'll try and get up to the ridge. Thought since we're here, let's actually come out and have a look. This is the Nelson Lakes district, and down there is St Arnaud. So we've come from all the way down there where the lake head is. We're going all the way up there. That rock out there is another lookout, which we'll go to next. Made it to the tree line. Pretty dark clouds over there. I think I can hear thunder, so I'm going to stop up here, but I kind of want to get up to the ridge before the rain and thunder comes. This seems pretty gnarly over there. Let's see how we go. Otherwise, it's a beautiful view before the storm hits. Let's hope it's not too bad. So here we are at the lookout. Thought I'd stop in the end, catch my breath a bit and enjoy the view. So I'm going to get up here, straight up, get the poles out for that. And then off the distance you can see the clouds again, thunder clouds. So hopefully it's not too rugged tonight. I had thought if it was really bad, come back over the ridge, try and camp around here. Because it's supposed to be a southeasterly, which means that range there is facing east, so it should protect me from the winds. But let's see if I can find a spot on the other side, sheltered. Trying to beat those clouds though, they're coming up quick. There's a ridge along there. Heads towards Lake Angeles Hut. Mount Robert is just over there somewhere. The saddle goes, or the ridge that goes all along there. Down there is Lake Redouidi. Yeah, the Nelson Lakes district. Down there, I guess, is the Waimea Plains. I'm not actually sure. Oh wow, see a big cloud over there. It's coming down. Well, once we get up to the ridge, we should be able to see where those clouds are. If it's too rough, I'm going to head back down. So far it's quite nice here. Could be a different story up on the ridgeline though. Alright. Pretty impressive clouds forming over there behind me. See the duck taking over the land. Sort of halfway up to the ridge. Yeah. Almost at the top. Dark clouds still rolling in. You can see a bit of rain now in the valley. So we've just got to go up there to that signpost and up and over. I was hoping to go along this ridgeline today, but I don't think it's going to be a good idea with this rain coming in. After, maybe tomorrow, if the weather's alright, go along that ridgeline and then come back down. It's quite good views up there, but I don't know what the weather forecast is for. I don't know if the weather forecast is very good for tomorrow. So, not far to go to the top, but I can see rain there, so yeah, I'm going to have to get a move on. This is the other side. It's looking pretty grim. I'm going to get off this ridge because I can hear a lot of thunder. Getting down to there, there's lakes down there, should be sheltered down there. Get some water. try and get off this ridge as soon as possible. It's getting windy now. It's forecasted for rain, but it's supposed to be a few hours, so hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Strong winds though. I'm not sure about this tent I've got, so I have to check it out. Whew. Looks pretty rugged. Alright, off the ridge, down the scree. Should put my gaiters on. Chilly. Alright, get back later. A little bit of hail at the moment, and it's quite a bit of thunder. So, you can hear that. So you can see some hail on the top. I'm trying to set up tent here, but I'm not sure if I should just wade out the front. It's getting pretty heavy rain. Might pitch up under that rock. See if I can just wait out some of this hailstorm. Well, storm front came. I'm just trying to shelter out the lightning and thunder. Probably be able to hear some soon. Just going to chill out here for a while and see what happens. Maybe set up the tent soon, but yeah, pretty rough. Legs coming in now. It's supposed to be pretty cold tonight, down to -3 with wind chill, low of 3. So I'm hoping I'm sheltered from the wind here, but there's no wind at the moment. Not supposed to pick up till midnight though. It might be interesting. Try and wait for this lightning to pass, and you might set up the tent. Have something to eat. Well, it's been about 20 minutes and still thunder and lightning, but it's getting pretty cold. I'm still quite wet, so I'm going to have to set up my tent, give me some shelter. So hopefully they don't get hit by lightning. Tent set up. I'll show you the better one, but this is the only one I got today. Not the best spot. It's a bit boggy here, but should be pretty sheltered from the wind and the lightning, and hopefully stay dry tonight. Yeah. So this is the tent. Inside, it's pretty. I'm going to do a great pitch with it, but it's also not a very good tent. And the inner touches the outer pretty much, no matter how you pitch it. So I'm just trying to shelter from the storm a bit, ride out the thunder and lightning, and yeah, I might, if it kind of clears up a bit, I might head back down the mountain actually. I'm not sure I want to spend the night in this tent. It's pretty small, and I'm not sure if it's going to do very well over the night, so we'll see. So yeah, might be able to hear the thunder. It's still going. Probably been here for about an hour. The tent set up. It's pretty small. Not a fan of this tent actually. Yeah, I'll show you another one for this night. But I'm just going to ride out the storm a bit, see if the front passes, and thunder stops. So I might head back over the ridge and head back down to the car. It's only like 4:30, heading on 5. So still got about 4 more hours of daylight. Probably going to take about an hour and a half to get back. Just don't want to go over that ridge with that thunder and lightning. It's pretty gnarly. So we'll see what happens. So I've had enough. Decided I'm going to pack up. Get everything stashed away, and then try and pull the tent down as fast as possible and head back over that ridge as fast as possible, I guess. It'll be pretty wet, and hopefully not too much thunder and lightning by the time I'm packed up. It seems to be easing off a bit now, so yeah, but I'm just going to get everything dry into the pack, and then stuff all the wet stuff on top of it. So the pack liner that keeps everything dry, so pack everything up, apart from the fly and the ground sheet. Now I'm just going to pull the whole thing down and try and head up over the ridge. Doesn't sound like there's much thunder, or I haven't seen any lightning, so fingers crossed it's nice and safe. Give you one last look around before I head off. The valley over here. Bit of a view. No thunder and lightning for a while, so should be good. It's just the weather's getting too cold now, and I'm already soaking wet. It's not very fun for me, so yeah. It's a great spot over here, but probably for better weather days. Get some water before I head back down. Some running water. So I'd actually chosen quite a good spot for the wind. It's a bit windy up here. Where I was, I couldn't really feel much wind. I'm supposed to get up to 80k gusts tonight. Just one of the reasons why I wanted to get back. Just don't think that tent would hold up to the wind very well. It's going to get pretty chilly. So yeah, that's why I wanted to get back. And the temperature was peaked out at 21, and now it's around 7 degrees, so quite a big drop. Yeah. Well, I stopped for a snack, and then undid my pit zips. Couldn't really do it with my bag on. Don't want to overheat when I'm going up the hill. Yeah, see a bit of the view. Just got to get up that ridge. It's just drizzling a bit now, so it's not so bad. GoPro's about to die, I've got 1 or 2% left. Heading up there, up over the ridge. If I run out of batteries, I guess I'll see you later. Whew, switched out my old battery, still got a bit left. Made it over the ridge. Peak's there, but trying to avoid that just in case. Made it. There's the peak of the ridge there, the track. And the valley. Had to bring up my phone camera because I ran out of GoPro. So I'd show you the top. Quite a change in the valley from this afternoon when it was raining. Down there's the car park. About 5 k's or maybe 6 k's away. So maybe an hour and a half. Look out. Let's come back down from the ridge. Yeah, there we go. Clouds rolling in. Hoping to do some more footage on the way back, but quite a pain with this camera, so I think I'll just limit it a little bit. Oh, the mood's changed a bit. It's nice and misty. Still got quite a way to go, so not sure how I'll get on. Getting dinner in time in St Arnaud, but there's plenty of other places further down. So it's 8 o'clock. Still haven't made back to the car. I think I've got about 2 or 3 k's left, so should be able to smash that out. Maybe 45 minutes or less. Going a bit slower than I thought I would. So I've made it back to the loop track here. You can see that. Probably got 15 more minutes at the car park. Maybe in time for a burger. This is something new I'm trying out, so leave a comment if you think it's good. I might make some more. Thanks.